Fairy circles are mysterious, circular patches of bare ground in Namibia's grasslands. These circles can be up to 14 meters in diameter and remain bare for decades. Theories abound, but the cause remains unknown, sparking intense scientific debate. Some attribute the circles to termite activity, while others blame plant competition. Research suggests a complex interplay between vegetation, soil, and microorganisms. The circles are not unique to Namibia, but appear in other parts of southern Africa. Understanding fairy circles could reveal insights into the region's ecosystem dynamics. Further research is needed to unravel the mystery behind these enigmatic features. Like and follow for more intriguing stories about the natural world.